Owens Corning SSL II with ASJ Max fiberglass pipe insulation is ideal for installation over copper pipes and iron pipes. T-fittings are common in many pipe configurations and can be challenging to insulate. But SSL II with ASJ Max fiberglass pipe insulation is simple to install around T-fittings. To begin, measure the straight run of pipe and cut your insulation to size. Measure to the center of the T and mark this point on the insulation. Using a divider that is set to the width of the pipe, cut an opening in one side of the insulation tube to line up with the bottom part of the T. Place the top piece of insulation and seal the jacket. With a sharp knife, create a fish mouth cut in the insulation for the bottom half of the T. For the bottom part of the T, measure to the halfway point of the pipe and cut the insulation to size. Place the insulation and seal the jacket, aligning the fish mouth cut. Repeat the process to cover the rest of the T as needed. The result is a fully protected T fitting.